Bro, I just mean that.
Go ahead, send me a plate, bro.
I'm just gonna let him sit here.
Cooking with Orville Masco. Ah, shit. Here goes nothing.
You gotta wash your hands, because some of y'all don't even like to wash your hands. Show y'all a little trick. It's chilly out here. One thing I noticed is a lot of y'all truck drivers don't like to wash your hands. How you work this? Ah. I don't even know how this works. You gotta get in the cracks and crevices, you know what I'm saying? I need some more soap. Oh crap. Gotta dig in the nails. Gotta dig in everything. Wash some nasty ass hands. Alright, here you go. I'm gonna need that right there because I gotta wash some plates later on. Spider-Man, bro, my spidey senses just kicked in, dog. Alright, boom. Let's get to washing. I just picked up a new table. I literally just bought this like 5 minutes ago from the Walmart because I was like, you know what? I know I'm gonna need a table, especially like when I'm on the computer and stuff. So I'm gonna put this over here. Alright, hold on, let me roll this window up. It got chilly. I had to roll the window up because it got chilly. You know what I'm saying? It got chilly. Alright, let me take this GoPro off. I had to throw this, what's this called? Them girls be like, so I know, what is this called? I had to throw this do-rag on because my head was looking crazy, you know what I'm saying? So, let me turn this GoPro off. So if you made it this far, you literally just watched me watch some. If you made it this far, you literally just watched me wash some fruits. So right now, what we about to do is, I'm about to start a meal prep. Yeah, I said that right, meal prep. All right, cool. So I need to put these fruits back in the fridge. Let me bring y'all down here. All right, let me start putting these stuff back in. You know, so we gonna make it happen. So that's what my fridge is looking like. But we gonna find a way. If there's a will, there's a way. I'm not gonna bore y'all today and show y'all. Oh my God, bro, you're lying. That's crazy. Wow. Alright, well, y'all just seen that. Right now, what I'm about to do, I'm about to wash these grapes all over again. But in the meantime, let me just put everything else back in the fridge. This is the first time I've meal prepped on the truck. Any of the trucks, actually, you know? If I don't got space, we gonna make space. Yo, is it me or is it like, y'all ever had like so much stuff in the fridge and you still buy like more stuff at the store, but you always find a way to like just make everything fit? Like, that's weird, right? It's like, you know your actual capacity of your fridge. It's crazy. Who's calling my phone? Who's calling my phone? Who? Nah, somebody calling me for it. Hold on. I put this do-rag on because like my hair was looking crazy. If you know me, you know. But bro, I'm getting a migraine, bro. Like this junk is on too tight. I'm not even gonna hold you. All right, so we're gonna start off with the breakfast stuff. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take out the eggs. I got a lot of eggs in here. Let me flip the camera. I got a lot of eggs in here. Who's calling me? It's my cousin. Hello.
Oh, you're vlogging?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm saying hi, vlog.
Well, on. Yo, I'm not gonna lie. I had to take the bonnet off, bro. It was squeezing my dome. Like, yo, I did it too tight. I got a headache. But right now I'm putting the GoPro back on. I'm about to get into this cooking. I'm not gonna lie, like when you first start making content and stuff, and like you're trying to actually like do stuff, it stretches out your day, bro. Like, it's just crazy. So right now I'm going through like my container with this is like my pots and pans and plates and cups. And so what I'm actually looking for is something that my sister actually gifted me. It's like a griddle. I think it's in that one up top right there. I don't even got time to. I need a knife. I got a knife. All right, boom. Pop off that. Dash that over this here, isn't it? So, bro, this can't even stretch. All right, you know what? Ouch. If it can't reach, bring it up your side, isn't it? Damn, this can't stretch for real. That's what she said. All right, bro. I'm just gonna plug this in. I really hope this don't kill me. Okay, because it's my first time using this. Why is this off balance? Oh, because I'm stretching it. Hold on. Let me plug that out. I got a whole extension cord. Yeah, this is just gonna have to do. All right, boom. What if I bring it up here? Wait, bro, yes. Right, okay. So, see? You gotta improvise your life. Don't give up. If there's a will, there's a way. I'm not gonna lie. I am just gonna get some water. Get like a little bit of water. And just throw it in here. Just kind of like wipe it out. I've never used this before. I really should be washing it, but bro, I don't got that type of time right now. Ooh, this is hot. I'm feeling hot. Don't this come like a lid? All right, so first things first, we're gonna go in here. We're gonna grab the bacon. I got bacon in this bad boy. Grab a knife. You don't wanna mess with me, bro. I'm a killer. Yo, how you turn this down? That is hot. Yo, how do you control the heat on this? That's my first time using this. How many slices is that? The sandwich is supposed to have like 2 a piece. I need like 12 slices, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't have like a big spatula, so what I'm about to do is I'm gonna just keep flipping it with my hand. I'm gonna turn it up a little bit, I'm not gonna lie. All right, boom. So we got that going. Right now, I'm gonna need 12 eggs.
6 bomber ass clot, pussy bomber blood clot egg.
So let me grab my 12 eggs.
6 blood clot egg, dead dog.
It's a full set of egg right here. So the way I'm gonna do the eggs, I'm gonna fry them in twos. I'm gonna fry these eggs in twos. My truck might look a mess, but bruh, I swear it's not that bad. Time for a flip. It's gonna be these right here. So this is, what, 6 of them? Ooh. These smell good. How do you break these apart? Like, do I gotta cut them with a knife? Do I gotta cut these? I know you lying. Is this one? Like, is this one English muffin? Or is this 2? Hold on. What does it say? Does it say 6? This don't even tell me the quantity. Oh, it's 6. Okay, so I gotta cut it in half. Hold on, my bacon burning. They call me Bacon Man because I be flipping that bacon. They call her bacon boy because that booty she shaking. It still needs some time to grow. I'm not gonna lie, I feel like this is kind of too hot. Yeah, that might be too hot. See, my bacon already burning. That this stuff, like, it's burning and it's not even cooking for real. Yo, did this come with a lid? I don't know if this came with a lid or not. Matter of fact, I think it did. Bro, my sister came in clutch. You should big up yourself. All right, there we go. Trash. I got a fork. I got a plastic fork. It ain't gonna last long. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Yeah, I see it. The best cooker out here. You know what I'm saying? I can't use a fork, bro. Ooh, ah, ooh, ah. Ooh, this is hot. Ah, ooh, ah, ooh. There we go. I'm trying to stretch them out. Give everybody their own little spot. So we got the bacon. Boom. Damn, brother. All right, bro, you won. I'm not even gonna argue with you. You got it. Nah, sis came in clutch with this, boy. Dang. Is this burning like the thing below? Nah, cause it's ooh. Ah, dang, I touched the pot itself. All right, boom. So we got that. My bacon kind of burnt though. My bacon kind of burnt though. My bacon, my bacon, my bacon, my bacon, my bacon. Trying to get this bacon out. All right, how many pieces of bacon I got? I got 1, 2, 3, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, that's perfect. Okay, cause it's 6 sandwiches. That's perfect. Let's plug that out. Boom, the bacon's finished. Now I'm about to where should I start next? I might toast these first. Right? Nah. I might not toast those first. I think I'm gonna do the eggs. Right? I'm gonna do the eggs. Yeah. Alright, that's what we about to do. I'm gonna do the eggs. So I'm gonna do like 2 eggs at a time. My homeboy Satari just texted me. Shout out to Satari. He was like, yo, he's on the game. I'm vlogging right now, my boy. Alright, so I need 12 eggs all together because it's gonna be 2 eggs per sandwich.
No. Get the fuck out of the house.
Alright, so this is the cheese we're gonna be using. I normally get a fresh sliced cheese from Walmart. I don't really like to get like the packaged processed cheese. I normally just like to get this one. And I like American cheese. It melts, whatever. But the flavor of the American cheese, I actually like that too. And that's gonna be like the last thing that I'm gonna put on the sandwich once we're done. I am about to start cracking some eggs. I like the brown eggs. I don't know why. I just like the brown eggs. I feel like it has a different flavor. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Bro, I need something to actually like cook this though. I need more so a spatula. Ka-shing. Alright, so I got one. So right now, I don't know if y'all know, I'm making y'all should know by now. I'm making like egg sandwiches right now. I'm not a fan of sunny side up. Y'all can keep that. Y'all people that eat the sunny side up eggs, yeah, let me say something. To you people out there that like sunny side up eggs, y'all is alright. But yeah, no, ain't no sunny side up egg over here, my guy. I like my junk cooked. No raw meat, no raw egg, you see me? No raw meat, no raw egg, you see me? Alright. I'm about to bust the yolk. Should I make this junk like scrambled almost? Nah, you know, I could scramble it. Yeah, I might scramble it. So, I'm scrambling it right now. Let me grab the black pepper and salt because I'm going to need that soon. I just bought some salt, bro. Where's the salt? My egg's burning. Stop playing with the boy. So that's what the first one looking like right now. You feel me? I'm gonna put some salt on it. Put it on the thingy thing. Alright, so I don't know where my salt is, but I found a black pepper. It's a pepper that's black. Alright, where is the salt though? I literally just bought salt. Yo. Oh, it's right here. Yo, this is perfect. Oh, I snap, bro. I snap. Alright, so let me throw the salt on that bad boy. But I should have put the salt and stuff when salt and pepper. You're gonna slap the cheese on there, right? Alright, boom. Right, got the American cheese on there. We're gonna let that do its job. It should start melting. Where are the things? And then each sandwich is gonna get like 2 slices of bacon. I think I should put butter on these. Bro, does this cheese not melt? Does American cheese not melt? American cheese does melt. When you get it at Subway, it melts. Right? Oof. Ooh. Alright, let me try it that way. Oh, it's melting now. Yeah, American cheese does melt. I should know that. Because I always get like the sandwich with American cheese. Dang. Ouch. You know what? I'm gonna leave that just like that. I'm gonna cut this piece off and put it on top. I ain't gonna lie. Ooh. Don't forget the cheese. All right. Boom. Just like that, right? Boom. Right. Right. Hear me out. Now you get some bacon. That's one. Right. That's two. Right. And then you slap that bad boy on top. You gonna push it. Ooh, that's hot. You gonna push it down. All right. Bro. Look at that, bro. Bro, what? Bro, I just made that in my truck. I just made that in my truck, twin. Alright. That was one. I got 5 more to go. I'm about to make the next 5. Two English muffins. Put those right there. Push down. Get a little heat. You see the cheese? Get that egg up. Throw it on there. Right. All this. See? Got cheese. You gonna put this on? Spark it up. Look at that. Ooh. Ain't I so stingy with the pot? And that is. I got 3 more right here. 4, 5, 6. So I got 6 in total. And that is breakfast. Now, we jump to the steak. At the store. Leave all this. I should have bought more. goes so well with like peppers. People might not know, but these things in here can actually make the pepper. A lot of y'all might make this completely different from how I'm making it right now, but the thing is, I don't really eat steak like that. You know, I like steak. I don't eat steak like that though. And I'm not gonna be stingy at all with the season. Yo, if y'all can get your hands on this, don't sleep on this. The Maggi season up, all purpose. Yo, this junk slaps. A lot of people probably out there like, dang, look at all that seasoning. Yeah. All that seasoning. And the garlic. People, I'm about to put some garlic in here. You know what I'm saying? Rub that in like it's Diddy oil. Rub that in. You gotta rub it in like how Diddy rubbed that baby oil in. You know what I'm saying? You gotta get the size too. Alright, so right now I got the veggies going with some butter. I'm just trying to get these pretty soft. I don't even, is this sauteing? I don't even know. I'm about to scoop these veggies out onto this plate. Put that up there. The thing with these trucks, if it's not like at certain temp, you gotta keep like stepping on the accelerator, because it has this thing where it's like auto shutdown. I'm gonna put my onion in here. The thing about me is I'm always popping paper towel. I could literally go through one roll of paper towel per day. That's like 30 rolls of paper towel, depending on what month we in. Definitely not February. I'm not gonna lie, I think I messed up by putting them all in at once. Cause I know like sometimes when you put like too much food in a pot, like it cooks like weird. I don't know what y'all seeing. I don't know if y'all seeing what I'm seeing. Now we just sit and wait. Or stand and wait in this case. Damn bro, this truck shut off. I got it going for a little bit. I'm gonna give it like 2 more minutes. Yeah, boy, them steaks is done for. I done effed up the steak. Boy. I done overcooked the goddamn steak. All right, so this what it's, you feel me? That's what the steak look like. I'm just gonna let them sit here for a little bit. They probably got a cure or what, bro. Why does, man? Is that the little thingy that people be talking about? Man, anyways, I'm gonna let these sit here for a little bit. I'm gonna let them cure, whatever that means. And once they cure, I'm gonna ziplock them. I'm gonna slice them and ziplock them. Some of that stuff is going in the Ziploc bag too. This is just like a little snack, while I'm driving and whatnot. So far we already knocked out the breakfast sandwiches, this, and then we're gonna knock out like the chicken and rice and stuff. And then, so I just slice a piece of the steak, and bro, to exactly like how I want it. Yeah. I don't know what people normally mean when they talk about like slice against the grain and stuff. Like, I don't know what all that steak stuff mean. I just eat it. Look at that. Perfection. Yeah. That is not my job. I ain't gonna lie, I could have chewed that piece a little bit longer. I almost choked. I swallowed that thing. Oh, pause. I'm gonna take these thyme leaves out because it's supposed to be like a little snack for while I'm driving. All right, that's the next thing off the list. So this is what they look like. It's just some little steak packets. They got the peppers in there, jalapenos, red peppers, green peppers, tomatoes, onions, garlic. So these are gonna all go in the fridge. So it's like a little, it's like a little snack you could just, while you're driving as a trucker, it's already prepared for you. Just grab it. You could probably warm it up in here. I'm not sure. You could probably just throw it in the microwave in here. And, you just got like some little steak bites to snack on it, with some pepper. Right now I'm gonna saute like the onions first, then do the chicken. And afterwards put it on there. I'm not gonna do all the peppers and stuff. I am tired. Where's the oil? I got oil somewhere. I am tired, bro. I am drained. Bro, this truck keeps turning off, bro. Oh my God, bro. Stop shutting off. All right, so what I'm about to do is when I'm seasoning the other side, I'm gonna do it inside of the pot. So I'm gonna flip this. All right. Season the other side inside the pot. So you want to slice these chicken. You want to kind of like, I think they call them butterfly, but it's not really butterfly because you're cutting that middle piece. So this you want to cut the breast in half. It smells really good. All right, so right now I'm about to start like kind of like tidying up. I finished with the chicken. I'm gonna show y'all what some of these stuff look like. Yo,
Yeah, what you doing?
cooking.
Man, you still cooking?
Yeah, look. I just made some chicken.
Yeah. Yeah, go ahead and send me a plate, bro.
I'm in Indiana right now.
All right, bet. Man, I'm on my way.
Alright, bet. I ain't gonna lie, this shit so fucking long, bitch. This might be my last time. This might be my first last fucking time. That's crazy. That's crazy.
When I tell you that man went stupid today,
That-
went. I said, bro, there's no way.
Right now we're working on some green beans. I am not gonna lie to you, bro. Based off my calculation, I've been cooking for like 3 hours, bro. I am so tired. After this, I am about to go shower. I still got some stuff to do, but I'm about to go shower after this.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
No, fuck. Right now I have a little problem. This light right here is supposed to be on. But as you can see, it's not. That is indicating to you that my inverter is off. And it was force powered off because I decided to turn this on. I was getting tired. I decided to turn this on and see if it would allow me to use 2 burners at once, which I knew better. This is gonna be a task, bro. And I have to get it done because if I don't, my fridge, everything in my fridge spoils. Everything was going good until that inverter turned off. I'm about to fix it. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm about to fix it right now. Bro, honestly, I feel like taking a nap before I fix it. But if I take a nap, I don't see myself waking back up and the truck is still a mess. I kind of like clean up the back a little bit. You know, the back part is a little cleaned up, but bro.
Must know about selecting, so who's the top 5 musical
Give me all I stress. Tell me everything one year.
A them girl you fear bill with and spend endless.
The car? I hope you didn't fuck the car.
They made me read book. I could read a book so quick. Like I could read 1,000 books in a fucking week.
You could do that?
Yeah, because I was like trained to read.
I mean, because of that, they put you in special ed?
Well, in special ed, they train you in special ed.
Oh, okay.
So you get talents that nobody else gets in the school because you're special ed. So.
Yeah. The next day. So the issue that happened last night was I had a burner on. I tried to turn on the second one, try to speed up the whole process of cooking, and I pretty much just messed it up. I put too much pressure on the inverters. So I have a fridge that runs on the cigarette lighter. My main fridge runs on the inverter. So for the cigarette lighter, I put all the stuff in there before I went to sleep so it can stay cool. I'm just gonna have to finish later on, so stay tuned. And meanwhile, I gotta go see if the pilot that I'm at sells the fuse that I need for the inverter. I'm showing this portion on my phone right now. So for the inverter, I need these, right? I think it's 30 amps. Yeah. Alright, so the eggs are pretty much done. I don't know if I can see it. They actually been on here for a little bit, but it's like, I don't know. I know it's not too much water in the pot, but they boiled, but they ain't really boiled. But it's probably been like 30 minutes, which is a lot of time for some eggs. You feel me? But yeah, I did about 30 minutes. I'm about to take the eggs out of this pot because I want to reuse this pot for the rice. I mean, I do have a slow cooker. Should I use that? I could use a slow cooker for the rice. That way I can actually go shower. Dang, bro, that's a lot of stuff to go through. I'm gonna just use this pot for the rice. Yeah, I'm gonna just use this pot for the rice. All right, let me go take these eggs out. All right, so when you wash your rice, you wanna wash it until you wash all the starch off. Just wash it until it's like the water's, you know what I'm saying, pretty much clear. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. Dumping the water into the dirty plate bin. So when I get outside, I'm gonna dump that water, and then I have like a bucket back there that I catch water in to wash my pots and pans and plates and spoons and stuff. So we got the rice back on the stove after we wash it 3 times. I got the water in there. Now, first thing I'm gonna put in here. Damn, why this fridge don't want to open? First thing I'm gonna put in there, you know, you gotta put your butter in your rice. I like to put garlic in my rice sometimes. I'm gonna put some garlic. Put the garlic. What else I wanna put in this rice? I like thyme in my rice. Instead of actually putting the actual thyme, I'm gonna put thyme leaves. Growing up in Jamaica, we normally put Scotch bonnet pepper in our rice, but this isn't Scotch bonnet. I'm gonna put some of the green onions. You can put actual onions in your rice too, if you mix it up. I have a squash, so I'm gonna use as much of the squash as I can to make some pumpkin rice. So I'm gonna put this over here.
You ready to make a salad? That's too much avocado. What you gonna make? You wasting avocados, yo. Give me an avocado. Salt, pepper, and hot sauce.
All right, it's time. I'm about to share out the food. It took me 2 days to meal prep. The truck is kind of in shambles right now. So that bin right there is about to go outside to get washed. This is the rice and stuff I'm about to share out. This is the mini fridge that my stuff is gonna go in. This is my main fridge. All right, so as you can see, I have pushed this stuff to the side. So I'm about to do like I don't share my stuff in cups. So this is the pumpkin rice, but I had squash. I use a squash. So I'm gonna start off with 2 scoops. All right, everything gonna start off with 2 scoops. On to the next. So each thing is gonna get 2 scoops. I'm not even gonna lie. Oh, this stuff look like it's gonna need 3 scoops because I'm still have a lot of rice left over. Yeah, I'm gonna do 3 scoops. That is what we're looking at. And everything right here, some way, somehow, has to fit in here. Well, guys, that is my meal prepping video. I hope you guys liked it. And I hope I gave you guys some ideas, being on the road trucking, driving healthy, nutritious food is not easy at all, especially what a lot of these truck stops offer. But yeah, I mean, there you guys have it. I got 5 plates of whole chicken, 3 cups of rice, or 3 spoons of rice, I should say, green beans, eggs. It's really not that hard, guys. All it is you just have to prepare it. Just remember that you have it, grab it, and go. All right, real fast, guys. This is where everything is. So I got it stored in this little fridge right here. So this is all the food. These are the eggs. This is the avocado. And then down there we got like steak. So these are like steak bites to go. So it's like actual steaks in here with peppers and yeah, so whatever.